right, well, here we have it so far. Completely and utterly bear-proof in every way. I'm totally kidding. I don't even know if this is squirrel-proof. But it's a good beginning. So, last week when I made that video, I actually ended up lifting it up, putting 2x6s down, screwed it down to it so that it would be strong enough so it wouldn't move around. But what I'm actually going to do is I've got, I think, 3/4 inch plywood, and I'm going to cover all the way around. This is 4 foot vertical. It's just over 6.5 feet. I'm going to go all the way around, and I have to figure out how to attach it to the front. But, and then you can see this other chicken wire right here. I've got more of that stuff. I'll staple it all to the inside, lay a bed of that kind of back and forth so that raccoons and coyotes and what have you, when they try and dig under, if they try and dig under, they can't get through there because there's more wire. But after I put the wire down, I have a big old bag of soil that I'm gonna come in here and lay it all down, make it all nice and smooth. But this is what we got so far. First time chickens. Freaking do it. Like I said, the whole idea is not necessarily to make it bear proof, but a bear deterrent, and more so coyotes and raccoons. I don't know that we have a whole lot of raccoons because there are bears, and yesterday morning walked outside and the trail that goes up to Fox Den, there was a bear standing up there, and we met eye to eye, and from that point he turned around and walked away. Why? Because he knows. He knows. I don't know what he knows, but I'm pretty sure it was not worth his time. But it's all good. I did end up setting the trip lines for the bear traps. I haven't had to do that all winter long. But and I have yet to go check it this morning. But fingers crossed. I didn't hear anything last night. Usually I'll hear that trip line go off. It's a pretty loud bang. Sounds kind of like a shotgun. But I guess the only thing that I'm looking at is how I'm going to attach this to the outside. I'll figure it out though. All right, well, got all the plywood up and got it secured temporarily. I'm gonna actually get some tie wire from work. I drilled some holes up at the top and I'll secure it to that top bar. Right now, it's only zip ties. And I know they're bear-proof zip ties, but it's just holding it up for the time being. But, oh, my ears are popping. But right now, I'm headed down to the neighbor's house. I'm gonna go borrow his tractor. I have a giant bag of soil, and I'm gonna bring that down to the coop itself and fill up the coop, because I did end up getting all the wire down at the bottom to prevent, oh, there's a soccer ball on the road. Kids kicking soccer balls. But I got the wire spread, chicken wire spread, all over the bottom of the coop, and so no critters can get in. But man, they are forever kicking soccer balls out the road. But yeah, let's get to it. So I'm always very, very grateful that I'm able to use this piece of equipment. So I take care of it as much as I possibly can. Come down here and grease it for him. Check the oil. And make sure to check the radiator fluid. Yep. Cool. There you go. Well, finally got it done, and gotta say, it's kind of cool. And even Liam came out and helped me. Liam doesn't help a whole lot, but yeah, let's check it out real quick. What? Even got nice new soil in there? What? Are you kidding me right now? Just spoiled chickens. Soon to be spoiled chickens. But I do believe I'm probably going to throw another tarp over here. Just so they like it a little bit more and come out when it's raining. It does rain here in Washington a lot. But yeah, as far as all the wood, all the plywood got from a job site. Put the little 4x6s down here so they have something to perch on. But we're gonna see for now, as far as that chicken coop goes, that it did hold where the person I ended up getting it from said that they had 6 full-size Brahmas in there. Well, we only have 3, and then we have 3 Silkies and 3 Frizzles. Now, that is still kind of small, but I do know that Frizzles and Silkies are literally probably half the size. So this will do good for now, I believe. I think it will. It's I'm kind of happy with it. And I'm not going to say that this is bear proof, but it's a bear deterrent. And also, I plan on putting ammonia around the outside. I did talk to a chicken farmer, and he uses ammonia around his coops and his runs. So, but there you go. So I finally got it together. I know Regina is off at a Prince tribute concert or something tonight, so she's out with her friends, but I got to spend the day doing that, which I'm actually really excited because I really wanted to get that done. And I'm super excited that amount of soil, that soil was free, by the way, and at another job site, 2 giant bags of really super good high quality topsoil, and they had, I mean, I think we flew maybe 200 of them up on top of this building. Well, they had quite a few left, so I was like, I'll take some. So my buddy Alex actually got a couple, and I got a couple, and that worked out just fine. Not to mention, I was able to plant tomato plants, and I don't know if I told you guys, but I actually planted fruit trees down the way, down there. 2 apple trees, and 2 peach trees, and 2 pear trees, and a plum tree. And that's not true. I didn't plant any plum trees. But anyway, I got nothing but love and blessings for all y'all, and I hope that you guys are having an amazing weekend. And until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care out there. Bye-bye.